Hello traders, welcome back to a brand new video on the Switch Stats channel. Today we will be going over a 5-minute scalping strategy that has a high win rate. I will be showcasing the strategy on the Euro-USD pair. However, this strategy can also be traded on the crypto markets, as long as you are trading on a relatively stable asset. Now let's configure the indicators. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and like the video to help us make these videos for free. Now, let's start. Because this is a 5-minute scalping strategy, we will first need to change the time frame and set it to the 5-minute time frame. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's add the indicators that we will be needing for this strategy. Click on the Indicator tab and search for the customizable MA ribbon indicator. Select the one made by Homeless Lemon. We will change the indicator settings later. Now search for the EMA indicator and then add the indicator made by the TradingView. Now the last indicator that we will be adding is the Volume Trend Meter. Search for in the Indicator tab and select the one made by D-Man. Now that we have added the indicators to the chart, let's change the settings. We will first change the customizable MA ribbon settings. Click on the settings icon and head over to the input section. We will be changing the length to 5, however, we will keep the rest of the settings for this indicator the same. Now let's change the EMA indicator settings. Click on the EMA settings icon and go to the Inputs tab. There you will need to change the length of the EMA to 200. We will also change the EMA color. We will make it white and thicker. Now lastly, we will change the VTM indicator settings. Head over to the Input tab and change the previous bars to check to 50. You can keep the rest of the settings the same. That's all that we needed to do for the settings. Now let me show you when to enter into a position. But before that, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel because we put out the best trading and scalping strategy videos for free. Thank you for understanding. Now let's go over when to enter into a buy position. First, there needs to be an engulfing bullish candle that is displayed. Secondly, the candle must cross above the white line. Thirdly, the MA ribbon must have recently changed to green. The last condition is that the histogram below the chart must also be green. As you can see, all of the conditions have been met, so we will now enter into a buy position. Set the stop loss at the recent swing low and target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio for your take profit. As you can see, this trade was profitable. Now, let's check the conditions needed for us to enter into a sell position. First, there needs to be an engulfing bearish candle. Secondly, the candle must cross below the white EMA line. Thirdly, the MA ribbon must have recently changed to red. Lastly, the histogram below the chart must be showing a red candle. As you can see, all of our conditions have been met again, so we will now enter into a sell position. We will put our stop loss at the recent swing high, and we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio for our take profit. As you can see, this trade was also profitable. I hope we could help you out with this strategy. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe.